Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer in order to find your contact list. Now let's choose the one you want to edit and click on Edit Contact. Here let's tap on this camera icon and now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo and use the gallery, for example. Now let's choose the one you want to use. And we have to complete action using Google Photos or cropped photos. Let me pick, for example, Google Photos. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of the square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, you can change the angle of the picture, it's up to you. So let me leave it like this, and if you are happy with the results, let's click on Done. Remember to click on Save, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. Now let's get back to contact list, and it is also visible here, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or while texting with that number. So that's all. This is how to add photo to a contact in your POCO X3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.